What? I accept the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge from Garfield Bucker Taylor. I nominated Darren Bravo, Kevin Peterson, Solomon Ben. You have 24 hours.
ALS Ice Bucket Challenge from Chris Gill. I nominate Darren Sammy, Lendell Simmons, and Kyron Pollard.
I accept the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge from Darren Bravo, and I nominate Jason Holder, Fidel Edwards, and Kima Roach. You got 24 hours.
Thank you, Chris Gale, for my nomination. I nominate Jamie Rubin, Amit Bhatia, and Jamie Redknapp. You've got 24 hours.
Okay, I'm ready.
Very good out, guys. And make sure you donate to this cause, right?
Ice Bucket Challenge. I'm going to nominate 3-person Fida Hussain, Nayyar Hussain, and Tom. Thank you. Uttar karo camera. Chalo fan do fan.
I've been nominated to do an ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I'd like to thank the guys that nominated me. Firstly, Simon Mignolet. Secondly, Joe Root. I'd now like to nominate the Sky Boys, Nasser Hussain, Mike Atherton and Ian Ward. I hope you accept the challenge, and more importantly, I hope you make a donation.
Thanks for the nomination, Tommy Long and John Hastings. I'm doing my bit for ASL. I nominate Kyle Mills, Mark Chittick and Owen Morgan. Let it go, let it go, oh let it go, oh let it go, let it go. Let it go!
I'm Shane Watson, I'm here in Nottingham. I've been nominated for the MND Ice Bucket Challenge by Dr. Ian Davis, who is a sufferer of MND, unfortunately, so this is the least I can do. I've got a beanie on at the moment and I don't need that on now, so I'll chuck that away. Here goes. Oh, shit. Okay, it's cold. Alright, I nominate Stuart Broad, who's provided a lot of heartache for the Aussies over the last few Ashes series, especially here at home. So Stuart, best of luck. Please donate to Cure for MND to continue to raise money for research to be able to try and knock this cruel disease on the head.
Thank you for my nomination, Luke Chambers. On behalf of the Broad Appeal, thank you very much for the awareness of ALS, motor neuron disease. Here goes. I now nominate Michael Vaughan, Greg James and Joe Root. Good luck.
Hi, I'm Ben Stokes. Thanks to Neil Fairbrother for my ALS and MND Ice Bucket Challenge. Here goes. Come on, Leighton. Get me. Thanks. I nominate Graham Onions, Scott Borthwick and Paul Collingwood. Good luck.
I'm not happy doing this. I really wanted to kill Sania Mirza when she nominated me, but I don't have a choice, but I'll accept the challenge.
So here we go. And yeah!